Today we're going to talk about Joint Genesis. We at M Reviews have prepared a complete video review with everything you need to know before buying Joint Genesis. I also have some really important warnings, which I'll talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or buying Joint Genesis. The first thing you need to know about Joint Genesis is, be careful which website you buy Joint Genesis from, because Joint Genesis is only sold on the official website. To help you, I've provided the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Joint Genesis and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Joint Genesis works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients. Joint Genesis works by improving joint jelly. If you're wondering what joint jelly is, it's the substances found between the joints that play many important roles, such as lubrication and acting as a shock absorber. Joint jelly is called synovial fluid, and the lack of constancy of this fluid is one of the main causes of intolerable joint pain and discomfort. Our cartilages have no other means of obtaining supplies of nutrients, as there is no blood supply. They rely on synovial fluid for their nutrients, as well as their protection against inflammatory proteins called cytokines. As individuals age, a very important molecule called hyaluronan, which is responsible for the gel-like structure of synovial fluid, decreases tremendously. Without the proper integrity of the synovial fluid, pain and discomfort is felt in the joints. The powerful extracts in the Joint Genesis remedy for stiff joints will act synergistically and increase the production of hyaluronan and also provide other vital nutrients that are essential for healthy synovial fluids as well as good bone and cartilage health. Ingredients used to formulate Joint Genesis are ginger root. Studies have shown that ginger can help reduce the activity of various chemicals that cause inflammation. This Joint Genesis ingredient also contains several essential nutrients that are beneficial for good joint health. Boswellia serrata. These plant extracts have anti-inflammatory and anti-arthritis effects and can also help reduce pain and inflammation. Bioperine. Pepper has the ability to desensitize certain nerve receptors, thus effectively reducing pain. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. French maritime pine bark. This pine bark contains many beneficial chemicals that can help stimulate the immune system, reduce swelling, and also have antioxidant properties. Satsumamo. Better known as Japanese sweet potato. This purple potato is rich in nutrients that are beneficial for synovial fluid and also for improving joint health. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Joint Genesis. Even on the official website, there are numerous testimonials from customers who have used Joint Genesis, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Joint Genesis for 180 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll give you your money back. So be safe to use Joint Genesis, but make sure you're buying from the official website to guarantee the benefits of the guarantee. Also, for Joint Genesis to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Take 1 capsule a day with water, preferably in the morning, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a bit frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product. Also important for you to know, Joint Genesis has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you go to buy Joint Genesis, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that Joint Genesis really does help to improve your life and the many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.